Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar Linkin Park. Okay, so let's take this up a notch here when it comes to intensity. We love Linkin Park, and this one, Heavy is the Crown, is a great heavy song, alright? So let's take a look at this one, and we're gonna do that with a capo set on the 2nd fret. So yeah, that's the best scenario for us to handle the melodies here, to have easy chords as possible, and to mesh this up together and work it out. So let's do Linkin Park's Heavy is the Crown capo on 2nd, and let's go over the chords. We're gonna start with A minor. That's the key, so it goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be G, and that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. D minor next, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. We have C as well, and that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have F. That's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 1st fret and you bar all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have E minor. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And then finally we have a bar chord. This is the A sharp sus version of it, and that will be a bar on the 1st fret. This time you don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below are necessary, and then you need to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. Alright, so there we have all the chords: A minor, G, D minor, C, F, E minor, and A sharp. Let's go into this verse play, and here you can play either one down per chord, and the chords will be A minor and then a longer pause and then G and D minor, okay? Or you can also play the melody I'm gonna show you soon. But first the chords. So if you're gonna play just one down, it'll be like this. Second round. Okay, so A minor, longer pause, and then comes G and D minor, and again A minor and G and D minor. Okay, so 2 rounds of A minor, G, and D minor. And here you can also choose to play the melody, and it goes like this. That is 1 round, okay? So it's based upon the same chords, of course. Now you're gonna hold the A minor as it is, or you don't have to really, but I do it. I think it's very convenient to have that, and if you want to skip the melody, you can just go into the strumming or down if you try to skip that, so you can go back and forth. So I use the same chords here, hold them as they are. So we're gonna play for A minor, all right? So that is to play open A together with open high E, then 2nd G, then 2nd G again, then open B, 1st B, back to 2nd G, then 3rd high E, and 1st high E. Okay? So that is the A minor parts, slowly. And Then you're gonna use the G and D minor, play the same melody there. You're gonna use this start for G. Okay, so that is to play 3rd fret on E string in the bass together with open high E and 2nd G. That's it for G. And then comes the D minor. You're gonna play so that is to play open D string. Then comes the melody. 2nd G, open B, 1st B, back to 2nd G, 3rd high E, and 1st high E. That's the end of it. So the A minor plays the melody for 1 round, and the G and D minor plays the melody for another 1 round. They split it on it. So slowly, 1 full round goes like this. Alright, so there you have it. And you're gonna play this, of course, for 2 rounds. So that is how you handle the verse. Just plain downs or melody. Now, after the first verse comes the pre-chorus, and it's played only at this point after the first verse. You're gonna continue the 1 down thing, and you're gonna play the D minor, then C, then F, and then G. Only for this 1 round, and that takes us to the chorus. All right. So chorus now, we need to look at the string pattern, and we're gonna use a string pattern that fits the rhythm very, very well. It's actually exactly the same. So it goes and follows the drums there. So anyway, you're gonna use the chords A minor to E minor to G and to D minor. Okay. So 1 string round, if you grab the A minor, will sound like this. Okay, so that would be to play 1 down and clap, then up, up, down, clap. And that's it. So down, clap, up, down, clap. You're going to play 1 string round per chord in the same order I just mentioned. A minor, E minor, G, D minor. You're going to play that chord progression for 2 rounds, and it goes like this. Right. That's the first round here. The second round, second verse, played the exact same way as the first one. 2 rounds of A minor, then G and D minor. Then we don't have any second pre-chorus. We're going to jump right into the second chorus, and that is played exact same way as the first one. A minor, E minor, G, D minor for 2 rounds of strumming. Then after that comes the bridge part. We're now about 1 minute and 34 seconds into the song. Now you're going to work to start with just downs. So you're going to play C, G, then F, and then G, then D minor, then C, then F, and then G. Okay, so far we are about half into this bridge part. Now this is where she sings and she just screams, and this is powerful. You're gonna alternate the chords A and A sharp for 3 rounds. And you're gonna use 1 string round per chord. The strumming we used in the chords, that's what we're gonna use for these 2 chords. So A minor 1, A sharp 1, A minor 1, A sharp 1, A minor 1, A sharp 1, like this. And then you're gonna end with the C 1 string round and D minor 2 string rounds. And that's the end of the bridge part. So just to summarize that part, it was to play down, one down per chord of the following chords: C, G, F, G, D minor, C, F, G. And then you alternate A and A sharp, one string around per chord for 3 rounds, and then you finished off with C1 and D minor 2. Okay, so that's the bridge part, and now over to the final parts of the song. You're gonna play the third chorus in the same way as the previous choruses, so no changes there. And after you play the 2 rounds of A minor, E minor, G, and D minor, you're gonna go into the outro part, and guess what? You're gonna continue the chorus play for another 2 rounds there. And then you're gonna play just a simple melody based upon A minor, E minor, G, and D. It goes like this. Okay, so that is to play A minor part first, open A together with first B, then second G, and open B, then E minor part, open E, and then a longer pause, and then comes second D. And then G part goes. That is to play 3rd fret on E string together with open B, then open G, second G, and then just 1 down on the open D. And that is the end note of Linkin Park's Head is the Crown. So yeah, raw and powerful, that's 2 words that describes the song. And I really like Linkin Park's latest releases here. Check them out here on Goring Guitar. And if you like this tutorial, feel free to support me here. Give me a like, subscribe if you haven't yet. Of course, you have to. Thank you so much when you do that. And till next time, play tune.